Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the J22 report. I'm your host, Johnnie Market. You all know that drill. Hit that like button, subscribe if you already haven't, and let's get in today's news. But first, obviously, disclaimer, not a financial advisor, just, commentary, my thoughts on the markets and all that good stuff. So, anyway, down day for gold. Stocks ended up down anyway. And gold got smacked. It was a BLS smackdown. Of course, let's get into the data. I am going to show you. This is what I saw a lot as a bullion dealer and a broker, precious metals. Uh, Here's gold's action today, 834. This is really a beat down. Look at that, below 30, below 2300. And look at this. Actual numbers 272. Real numbers consensus 185. Huge job markets. Maybe we are in that bad news is good news. If you look at the stock market here, S&P was down 5 points. The Dow was down 87. NASDAQ was down 40. And this is the thing, the whole higher for longer. This could really be this is why I said for the next couple of months. If you look at my videos the last week, the day Joe decided to release the SPRs, I thought there would be a serious consolidation because if you look at it, this is negative for gold. Now, here's the thing. Right now, interest rates are up. Next week, we have the inflation numbers, and if the inflation's low, stock market will gain because now they'll anticipate more rate cuts, but gold will not do much. But because it will have low inflation, strong economy, but lower cuts will put sort of a floor, but it won't go up. So this is why I say, if you're a gold bug, gotta hope for worse economic data. Now the economy is horrible, and the U.S. jobs numbers, like none of them went to native born uh, Americans, not Native Americans, but like people that were born U.S. citizens, and none of them, and they were all part-time jobs. They were all part-time, low-paying jobs. We actually lost full-time jobs. There are many articles on that. Even mainstream news like Gateway Pundit is even reporting on that. So you can go look for that. I don't feel like I have to cite it. All those articles are out there. They're easy for you to find. And yeah, I just want to say this is what matters. The econ data. If there is signs of a strong economy, gold will not do well. And it has to be strong economy in the government statistics. If there is, even if the economy is weak. Now, I do think if you look at a lot of other data, and I've gone over in this channel, so you just go back to my videos the last 2 or 3 weeks, just watch them one by one. They're not long. It's been mixed, and GDP numbers were poor. So those numbers, I think, will continue to improve, and that's what I think will happen. Though is in the fall, I think inflation will pick up. This is probably the worst case scenario. Gold goes down and even keeps correcting, but because of the lower oil prices, lower inflation, it's summer, it's the travel season. Inflation will eventually pick up, and that's what I think. Now, it's possible the other economic data will continue to be bad, but I'm not optimistic. But yeah, if there's a high inflation number, I think that will also put a bottom in gold. So there's another article. This guy I follow, Avi Gilbert, doesn't believe in fundamentals, but he thinks in 4 to 5 weeks, gold and silver is going up to a new run. We'll see. Maybe he's right. As a bullion broker, I always look for that, but I've seen this many a times when I sold gold from 2012 to 2014. Strong job numbers, huge smackdown. This is nothing I am unfamiliar with. So anyway, that's all I have for now. Obviously this is June 7th, 2024. Just in case someone's listening further out. But yeah, this is the economic data. I think with the releasing of SPR, we're gonna see production numbers up, exports up, and it's gonna be a rough couple of months for. I do think the economy is going to get weak because we see it from Starbucks, McDonald's, a lot of the lower price consumers still getting worse. People bankruptcies are rising. It will only be temporary, and I think with all this, after they're done releasing the SPRs, I think that will floor and inflation will come and it'll go up anyway. So, just like the last couple of months, earlier this year, gold started to rise because of hot inflation readings. That will probably happen again, starting in the fall. Anyway, that's all I have. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next. Oh, one other thing. I was gonna do a commercial real estate. I just too tired last night, and I will try to do it again this weekend, if not next week. I definitely want to do a commercial real estate video, but I was just too tired with my personal life. So, anyway, I hope you all have a nice weekend, and I will see you all next video.